So ayan guys, babala from GCash, huwag maniwala sa fake news. In fact, sa video na to, meron tatlong fake news tayong pag-uusapan. And kung nagwo-wonder kayo kung saan ko nakuha ito, sa mismong GCash page lang on Facebook po. Don't worry, link will be in the description, so check it out po, okay? So, fake news number 1, ayan, GCash to bank transfer daw ay may charge na 84 pesos to 125 pesos. Totoo ba to? Of course, this is fake news kasi bank transfer fee will be 15 pesos only, effective tomorrow, October 1, 2020 po. It used to be free guys, kaya nga ito yung most used ko na feature, yung bank transfer, GCash to coins, GCash to Paymaya, and so on, kasi free of charge lang and instant pa. Pero now, meron ng 15 pesos per transaction. So guys, kung nagbabala kayo or kayo din ay mahilig mag-bank transfer to your e-wallets or banks, ayan, I think transfer nyo na ngayon habang may time pa kasi tomorrow 15 pesos charge na po siya. And also, another tip lang is siguro kung magta-transfer kayo ng funds or magba-bank transfer kayo from your GCash, then lakihan nyo na yung amount. Kumbaga parang computein mo na in a month kung magkano yung dapat mong i-transfer para isang 15 pesos lang yung mababawas sa pera mo. Diba? Fake news number 2, send money GCash to GCash ay meron pong 0 to 2% na charge. This is fake news kasi send money is absolutely free. GCash to GCash, that's the same company po, kaya free lang po yan. And fake news number 3, sabi dito, GCash to GCash through apps, 8,000 pesos monthly ay free, but if nag-exceed ka na, charge na. Take note, hindi sa sender kinukuha ang charge kundi sa receiver. So guys, I'm not so sure exactly, correct me if I'm wrong, comment down below, pero yung alam ko po na may 8,000 pesos na monthly limit ay yung pagka-cash in sa ating GCash account via over-the-counter po. So, for example, magka-cash in ka sa GCash account mo gamit si 7-Eleven or Western Union or Palawan Express, ayun, meron pong 8,000 pesos na monthly limit yan. Ibig sabihin, free po up to 8,000 pesos. Now, kapag ka magka-cash in ka, via over-the-counter pa rin, pero nag-exceed ka na, ibig sabihin, naubos mo na yung 8,000 pesos mo na free or na limit, then the next cash in mo via over-the-counter, magkakaroon na po yan ng 2% na charge. And totoo po yun, meron po talagang charge kapag nag-exceed ka ng 8,000 pesos. Pero that's only over-the-counter po ha. Hindi po kasama yung pagka-cash in via bank or via e-wallet. Ibang usapan po yun. We're talking here is yung pagka-cash in via over-the-counter lang. And sinabi dito, take note, hindi sa sender kinukuha ang charge, kundi sa receiver. Hindi po ito totoo guys. Sender po talaga yung china-charge at hindi sa receiver. Siguro nasabi dito na sa receiver yung china-charge kasi papasok pa rin kasi ito dito sa cash in via over-the-counter po. Kasi 'di ba meron tayong 8,000 pesos na monthly limit. Pag nag-exceed tayo doon, automatic may 2% na charge po yung next na cash in natin via over-the-counter. So, pwedeng yung dahilan kaya nabawasan na, for example, magka-cash in or magsisend si sender ngayon kay receiver ng 1,000 pesos, ang na-receive na receiver ngayon is 980 pesos na lang. Kasi may charge na 2%, siguro kasi itong receiver ay na-exceed na or umabot na siya dun sa 8,000 pesos na limit per month for over-the-counter cash in. Okay? Kaya naman, baka iisipin na receiver, ay bakit bawas? Tapos si sender naman na walang kamalay-malay, ay 1,000 po talaga yung pinadala ko. So, ayun na. So, now you know, kung ikaw si receiver at iba yung sender, ayun, hindi ka na magtataka kung yung marireceive mong pera ay hindi na buo dun sa pinadala ni sender. Yun ay dahil nag-exceed na sa cash in limit na 8,000 pesos. But don't worry kasi by the next month or refresh ulit yan, magkakaroon ka ulit ng 8,000 pesos na monthly limit. And guys, additional information lang about GCash fees. Meron po kasing with fees, meron ding free of charge. So for no charges, yung cash in online po via BPI, Union Bank, PayPal, tsaka Payoneer, free lang po as long as nakalink po sila sa inyong GCash app. Yung cash in over the counter is free up to 8,000 pesos every month. Kapag nag-exceed ka na sa 8,000 pesos na limit, magkakaroon na po ng 2% charge yan. Take note of that, guys. Very important. Yung send money naman to any GCash account is also free. Yung GCredit, magdedepende po yung interest fee sa loan amount po ninyo. For international remittance, free lang po yung receiving via Western Union, MoneyGram, Alipay, and more. Buy load is also free. Pay bills, ayan, depende po. Some billers may charge convenience fee po. Then, free of charge din yung Save Money, GCash Insure, Pay QR, Shop Online, KKB, Request Money, tsaka Book Movies. Paano naman yung with fees? That's very important. So guys, yung cash in over the counter, magkakaroon na po ng 2% na charge kapag na-exceed ka na dun sa 8,000 pesos na limit nila per month po. For the bank transfer, meron ng 15 pesos na charge per transaction effective October 1, 2020. And for cash out withdrawal, kapag nag-withdraw ka via your GCash Mastercard sa any BancNet ATMs, 20 pesos po yung charge. Pero meron nakapag-share dito guys na RCBC ATM withdrawal po via your GCash Mastercard ay free of charge. So guys, try nyo po and confirm nyo po sa baba kung totoo talaga. Alright? And 20 pesos or 1,000 pesos for over-the-counter cash out withdrawal po. Alright? So guys, ayun. Ayaw natin itong mga fees pero maganda din na alam natin so that hindi tayo magulat, hindi tayo ma-shook. Diba? So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. At kung hindi ka pa part ng Mika Fam, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka every time meron tayong bagong videos, merong bagong updates, and merong giveaways for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.